In this video, you will see how Facebook ad campaign works. How Facebook ad campaign work is, we put our post or ad in our campaign and we select or target people who will see this post or ad. We set up a daily budget on our campaign. What Facebook does is, it shows our ad to people who we targeted or selected with our campaign. After the targeted people see our ads, some people take action that we want them to take. Now, if we spend more money on our campaign, more people will see your ad and more people will take action. If we spend less money, less people will see our ad and less people will take action. We can design our ads to be specific to our goals. We can also target people in terms of interest, demographic, location, behavior, etc. Because of this reason, Facebook ads, when done correctly, can be very effective and profitable. Write in the comment, did you find this video useful? Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos on Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns.